I'll talk a little bit about this box. This was a third box that I made like this. It's a money bank, piggy bank, kids, adults, whatever it is. The first one that I made was a bust, made it out of MDF. It was really, really crap. The second one that I made was some material, but it was a little bit more boxier. It was glued on all 5 sides. The 6th side on top is removable with the screws, and you can open it up. This one is a little bit different. This one's glued on all 6 sides, which means there are no screws holding this down. It's all completely solid glue. Obviously, I need to really get into it. I don't want to use any metal parts on this box, so what I'm going to be doing is making a couple of hinges out of wood. I don't know how to make any hinges. I've made any hinges before. Definitely nothing with a moving part. But they say necessity is the mother of all invention, and I'm not claiming that I'm inventing the hinge, but I'm going to learn how to make it. So yeah, so follow along, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and comment below, and subscribe for more videos. I plan on putting one out every week. In the beginning it might take a little bit longer, but that's the goal, one every week. So thanks for tuning in. Let's get this thing open. Alright, let's make some hinges and the latch for this bad boy here. Now this is made of pine, so it's a soft wood. I do want to contrast the look of the wood, so something a little bit darker so that it can stand out and pop and see the craftsmanship of a handmade latch and hinge. So I found a piece of old oak step or shelf or whatever it is. It's got a nice bull nose to it, which is perfect for what we're going to do. Right now we're going to cut it down to size a little bit bigger than what I want, so we can trim it down on the bandsaw afterwards. I have more than enough material for 2 hinges and 1 latch. So here what we'll be doing is cutting it down to size, and then afterwards we're just going to square this off, and we're going to bring this guy down here a little bit more and slice him down here so that we have a nice open section, or a nice large section on the top here going across where we can add for our dowel. Now, the dowel is 5/16 long. I don't know if you remember if I told you. That gives me 9/16, so that's about an 1/8 inch on either side of the dowel, which is perfect. And the wood's not going to snap because it is oak and it is a nice hard wood. So the hinge, I think I want to make it about 1 1/4 inches. Or the latch, I want to make about 1 1/4 inches. I'm going to draw down 1 1/4 inches on here. Just going to make it a little bit larger. Doesn't really matter, lots of material for it.
all work nicely. And this is the latch. So we're gonna head over and work on the ducts. think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to keep... Originally what I wanted to do was glue the dowel into the hole in here and have it stick out a little bit and then come and close the clasp on it. But I think what I'm going to do is instead is have this removable like that, and you can't open it, and I'll cut this flush and glue it onto a little piece of stopper that you can easily remove it and put it back in as you want. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. I believe I have some more oak straps laying around somewhere. Somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this page. I'll be posting a new video every Tuesday, and I'll also be putting the link in the description for my Patreon page if you like what you see and you want to see me do more of it. It's a great way to help support what I'm doing. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.